Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, VIVO Y21s, and now I can show you how to clean USB charging port on this device. To do it, you just need to remember the one rule: never use metal objects to connect the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush. This is the normal household tool that I don't know, maybe everybody have the old toothbrush at the home. If you have no, so you can buy a new one, and in this way you will have the old one. And insert only one part of the brush into the connector and just try the dirt out. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.